All right, let's do a reflection in the x-axis, and then I will do another video for the y-axis. We have a parent graph, f of x equals 1/2 x plus 1. Now, f of x and y equals could replace each other. We've got the slope-intercept form. We're used to saying y equals, but f of x just says that this is a function. So if I want to do a g of x and it says negative f of x, what I'm going to have to do is reflect in the x-axis. So if the negative is outside the f of x, it will reflect in the x-axis, and that means my x's will stay the same, but my y's will change signs, or be multiplied by -1, which will change its sign. So we're going to graph the parent graph first, which is the b is at 1 on the y-axis. There's the 1, and the slope is 1/2. So I rise 1 and run 2 right, rise 1, run 2 right, and be very careful with this. If you do not hit those corners, it's going to be hard to do this correctly. So I need to make sure that I'm hitting these corners. I don't normally use a pen to do math, but just so my videos show up a little bit better, I do need to use a pen. So here's the parent graph, and his name is f of x. G of x is my new graph that I'm going to make in green, and I'm going to look and see where I'm crossing in the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this thing was supposed to hit at -4, -1, and it looks like I'm off just a little bit. It should have been more like, let me try that one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. All right, so here we go. I've got my x being -4, and it is intersecting at the -1. So this ordered pair is -4, -1. Well, if I'm going to reflect in the x-axis, the -4 will stay a -4, but the -1 will change signs and become a +1. So I want to graph the ordered pair -4, 1. So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, +1. That's flipping over the x-axis. All right. Now it's crossing again at this 2, 0. So if the domain x, the input, is -2, is crossing at 0. Well, 0, you're not going to change its sign. 0 is going to stay a 0. So another ordered pair is -2, 0, which we already have graphed. That's where they're intersecting. And then let's do one more. Crossing at 0, 1. It's my domain, that's my range. And if I'm going to reflect in the x-axis, I will change that to a -1. So that ordered pair will be 0, -1. So 0, -1 would be here. And reflecting that line, try to hit those corners. And there is my reflection in the x-axis.